What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Milady meme coin, which has gone absolutely insane. A huge green candlestick 2 days in a row guys. It has pumped up over 80% in the last 24 hours. So we're going to be going through where is Milady meme coin heading to next. So it's pumped up quite a lot, especially over the week. 80% guys is showing because of the drop. However, over the last 2 days alone it has done over 100% increase guys. So is it still time to buy it? Is it way too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it immediately before it crashes back down? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and essentially covering its prediction for 2024. What can we expect? And also, for those of you guys who have been following me since last year on Milady meme coin, last time it did pump up back in December. I did let you guys know, do expect it to drop back down and potentially pump back up in late February, early March next year, which is this year, and that is exactly what's happened guys. So we're going to be getting through its short-term and long-term prediction as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So some reason it's not loading on Coinbase, so we are going to go straight to the candlestick pattern chart, and we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen, and this is a critical point for Milady meme coin, as it has broken out from the red zone into the green zone guys without any resistance. So does this mean the crypto is overvalued and likely to drop back down into the red zone, or is this the breaking point for Milady meme coin where it's just going to literally just break out? We'll be covering that later on in the video, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So as usual, the crypto is trading at much higher value than the SMA indicator here in purple, giving us the average value of Milady meme coin, which is quite surprising because there is quite a huge gap. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are not looking as bullish as expected, but we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Milady meme coin? Is an overall fluctuation in value, which I do agree with, over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. However, I'm expecting it to pump up higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to hit red candles later on this afternoon, evening time, dropping back down in value to around its current price range. So expect quite a wave, pump back up, green candles for now over the next few hours, pumping up in value, and then slowly starting to drop back down later on this evening, making it trade at its current price range is what I'm expecting at the moment. Now, moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? So over the next 7 to 8 days, by end of next week, again we got the blue and the orange line both looking way too steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So again, it's not as realistic as it seems. So over the next 7 to 8 days guys, by the end of next week, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Reason being is I'm expecting it to pump up in value over the weekend and early next week, and then early next week I'm expecting it to start hitting red candles, dropping back down in value, going for a price correction due to the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 hours. It is due for a little bit of a correction, which I'm expecting to take place early next week, and then potentially start to stabilize at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. So higher than the SMA indicator but lower than the actual value, so somewhere around this price range, heading in 1.8 is where I'm expecting Milady meme coin to be trading at by the end of next week. So do expect it to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, late April, early May 2024, I am expecting Milady meme coin to have gone for an overall increase in value. Again, we got both the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction. However, I'm also expecting red candles in between, as that is part of the process, going for a price correction late March and early April, and then hitting green candles from there on, heading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment, is what I'm expecting from Milady meme coin. So let's go in a bit more detail. So if I bring up the Fibonacci scale here, I'm expecting the crypto to be dropping back down into the red zone potentially by late next week and the week after that. So in the second half of March, I'm expecting it to drop back down into the red zone, as it is likely to go for a price correction before it slowly starts to gain value again back into the green zone, potentially by late March and early early April and May as well, heading into the green zone, potentially heading into the top tier level here and breaking out potentially into the green zone by mid-year is what my expectations are at the moment. However, this also depends on how the Bitcoin halving goes, as this is going to have a major impact on the crypto market in general, which I will also keep you guys updated on as much and as soon as I can. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume is still going up like crazy, 355% up in the last 24 hours, making it $35 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason obviously is it's pumping like crazy. It is the top gainer in the last 24 hours, so a lot more people have been buying and selling the crypto, which in return has also helped the value of Milady meme coin pump up higher than where it is at the moment. So can the crypto essentially get rid of 2 or 3 zeros this year? Personally, no, it cannot, because that's going to require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting Milady meme coin to go through, because if it does, it's not going to be sustainable, and what's going to happen is going to start crashing back down in value, which we obviously don't want. So all I'm going to say is no, not this year, unfortunately. But some of you guys do think that. Let me know in the comment section down below, how many zeros is it likely to get rid of in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.